IPM is going to be holding its 62nd annual convention and exhibition. For ladies and gentlemen, we know very well that the fourth industrial revolution is bringing unprecedented changes in how work is done. We know that there will be job losses, but we also know that the DG human interface will help us to create new jobs. I mean, our country has been focusing these last weeks on job creation, and we know that there will be new jobs. What is necessary is for organizations to be ready for the future. So IPM is an organization that has been able over the years to respond to the needs of people managers and HR professionals to make sure that they are prepared for the future. So this convention is packed with information, practical experiences that people will share, case studies that our speakers will be speaking to, that will leave you prepared for the future, yourself and your organization, so that you can own your role, your profession, own the things that you need to do as a professional, HR, and as a people manager, to make sure that you bring the best out of the talent that you have. There will be fun, of course, as you know. There will be chances to network. We have our annual golf day on the Sunday, so all you golfers come prepared. Let's have fun and let's go there and network. We'll also be looking at the importance of wellness, fitness and wellness. So it's not just going to be gauging on knowledge, but we'll also be talking to our overall wellness, body, spirit, and mind. That's all that's going to be developed. So this is not a convention to be missed in 2018. It's an exciting lineup that has been put up in terms of speakers to address our theme, leaders and HR, shifting gears for agility. So we're really appealing to you to not to miss out, to join us, because it's going to be exciting, it's going to be impacting knowledge. You will come back a different person, and we know that if you allow yourself, you're open to knowledge, acquiring new knowledge, you come back and make your organization proud, and in fact, make your own profession proud. So look forward to seeing you in Polokwane at our 62nd convention and exhibition. Thank you.